systemic effects I've seen over the years and treated just in my metal removal. Muscle spasms of the legs, back, neck, fibromyalgia type symptoms, joint pain throughout the body, severe fatigue, sleeping problems, migraines, dermatological conditions, typically rashes, emotional issues, mental issues, exacerbation of the rheumatologic conditions that were just discussed, paralysis issues that we'll get into, nerve symptoms, and then reaction of hardware in another part of the body.
I help guide and support many people with scoliosis, but mainly those allergic to their spinal instrumentation. Several are disabled or bedridden since undergoing surgery. The most common complaints are chronic fatigue, rashes, itching, swelling, burning, severe pain, fevers, and depression.
Recorded in the notes was patient says they have a nickel allergy. Patient had a knee replacement and underwent revision very successfully in the end with a nickel-free knee replacement, but they suffered badly for nearly 2 years.
And he's reacting to his belt, he's reacting to everything metallic. He goes to his dentist and she says, rubbish, it doesn't exist. It's not approved. I do actually feel like calling the dentist and telling her, unfortunately it is. There are studies.
The result of that is you see a lot more bright orange, which is aluminium everywhere. And also we see that in the lowest concentrations, we see exactly the same. We see beautiful loading up of the cytoplasm with the adjuphos. Remember that blue DAPI staining is for nuclear material or nucleus. Well, actually, in these preparations where you expose THP1 cells to adjuphos, you get lots of loose nuclear material in the medium. It tells us there's cytotoxicity. It tells us that that's being released from the cells. So adjuphos, and we'll see some data from it in a moment, is significantly more toxic, cytotoxic at the injection site than AL hydrogel.